Going to look at how you can convert angles in degree, minutes and seconds in decimal degree. Now to start with, I want you to note that if you have a straight line, once a straight line moves around a given point, round a circle, it makes a rotation which is measured in either angle or radian. Now by default or by convention, when this straight line goes round the circle and returns back to its starting point, we would say it has made 360 degree turning. That is by default. Now do you know that this 360 degree can be broken down into 60 minutes, and this 60 minutes can also be broken down into 60 several seconds? Now this is the degree part that is broken down into minutes, seconds. Now this is the part that can be gotten from these parts of the of the angle. Now I want to also show you that the half part of this angle can also be measured, and that will give you a 180 degree turning, and the half of this angle will now set to give us a 90 degree. Now I want you to take note, any angle that is less than 90 degree is called an acute angle. Angles that are less than 90 degree are called acute angles, and angles that are greater than 90 degree are called obtuse angles. Now do you know that angles that are measured in degree, minutes and seconds can be converted to decimal degree? Don't go away. After this timeout, I'm going to show you how to go about doing that. This is New Track Mathematics. Be sure to subscribe to this channel. Welcome back. In this sample, you are requested to convert 46 degree, 36 minutes and 18 seconds to decimal degree. Now how do we go about solving this? Now to solve this, I want you to note that this is already in this is already in degree, so we don't need to touch it. We are going to convert 36 minutes to to degree, and we are going to convert 18 seconds to degree. That is exactly what is going to give us. So we are going to have 46 plus this divided by this will give us that will give us 0.6 plus that will give us, this will give us 18 divided by 3600. Now 18 divided by 3600, that will give us 46 plus 0.6 plus this will give us 0.005. So if we add this, we are going to have our 46.605 degree. So you see, it's easy converting degree, converting angles measured in minutes, degree, minutes and seconds to degree, decimal degree. Now do you get that? I want you to try this. Convert this angle to to decimal degree. If you do this properly, you are going to get your 53.485 degree. I want you to try this and see if you get exactly this as the and the solution. Now let's look at how we can convert degrees in decimal degree back to to seconds, minutes, and to seconds, degree, seconds, and and minutes. Let's look at this other sample. Now let's look at how to go about converting your decimal degree to degree, minutes minutes and seconds. Now it is very, very simple. Question here, you've already been given what? You've already been given your 18 degree. So all you need to do is to take the decimal place, which is what? 18 plus 0.478, and multiply it by what? By 60. If you multiply it by 60, you will be converting to the first what? To the first minute. Now let's multiply that. If you multiply that with 60, we are going to have what? 0.478 times 60. That will give us 28 point what? So we are going to have this to be equal to what? 18 degree 28 minutes point what? 0.68. That is what we are going to have. So if we have that, the next thing we are going to have 20.28 minutes. So the next thing we are going to have is to take the what? The point. So we are going to have 18 degree 28 minutes into bracket 0.68 plus what? 0.68 times what? Times 60, and that will give us what? The result in what? In seconds. So if we times that with 60, we are going to have what? We are going to have 0.68 times 60 times 60. That will give us what? That will now be equal to what? 18 degree 28 minutes, and this will give us what? 40.8 what? Seconds. So if we approximate it, we are going to have 18 degree 28 minutes and what? And 41 what? Seconds. That's the solution we are going to arrive at. So you see, it's very, very easy. This is what? This is going to be a plus. So the first one you did is 18 plus, you take the decimal point, multiply it by 60, you are going to have 18 point what? You will now go ahead to have your 18 plus what? 18 plus 28.68 minutes. So we'll take this as the minute and then take this in order to find the what? The seconds. This times this will now give us what? This plus this, and this plus what? Plus this. So if we approximate this, we are going to have what? 18 degree 28 minutes and what? 41 seconds. So you see, it's very easy. I want you to use this same model to find out how to convert this degree to what? To decimal degree to degree, minutes and what? Seconds. And if you can do it accurately, you are going to have 236 degree 59 minutes and what? And 10 seconds. Try it out. Let's see how you get out the solution. So you see, converting these numerals or converting degree, decimal degree to what? To degree, minute and seconds, and converting it back vice versa is very, very easy. Take note, you are going to see this as you go about solving question in trigonometry and question in your physics 101. Stick around with this channel and we'll continue giving you the best of what? Maths 101. Thanks so much, 101. Thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you watch our subsequent videos.